The 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, front fog lights, skid plates, blind spot sensor, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.